Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is finally the Fenty Beauty Body Lava reviews. Thank you guys for being so patient with me. My PR has been all over the place, so I don't know whether or not I got these in the mail or if I did, or if I didn't. So I just went ahead and bought them, and as many of you guys probably already know, brown sugar was not in stores, and I just felt like it would be so wrong for me to do a review over this product without brown sugar, so I decided to go ahead and buy that and wait for it to get shipped to me, and I have it now. So I'm going to be giving you guys my review on those products. If you are new here and this is your first time on this video, or this is your first time watching me, my name is Nyma. Hello. I'm gonna go ahead and jump straight into this. I got all of the products pretty much. I got the Body Lavas, which are actually a pretty decent size. I got them both in Who Needs Clothes and Brown Sugar, which is awesome. I was really happy that I could do that for you guys. And then I got the Kabuki Brush, of course, and then the Fairy Bomb, which is huge. I wasn't expecting it to be this big. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a price on everything. The Body Lavas are $59. Oh, that's a highlighter that I bought, never mind. The brush is $34, which I thought was a little pricey, but we'll see. The Fairy Bomb was $42, and that's it. Yeah, so basically the Body Lavas are $59 and the Fairy Bomb is $42, and then the little Kabuki brush that it comes with, or that it recommends you to use it with, is $34. I do like the Fenty brushes. I do like their foundation brush and the little highlighter brush, even though I don't use it for highlighter. I use it for under eye powder, which is really good for that. So if you have that brush, try it for under eye powder. It's really awesome. First of all, I'm just not a big body shimmer person. I don't know why. I think it's because I'm not a big glitter fan, but we're gonna see how this looks. I have tried them on the back of my hand already just to kind of play around with them because I was impatient and I was like, I can't wait. But I wanted to make sure y'all got to see it, what it looks like on the actual body together. So I didn't put it on my body. I don't know what it looks like yet. I'm gonna do that with you guys here. Here is my chest. I do have clothes on. I'm going to go in first with Who Needs Clothes because it does look like it's gonna be more my type, because I do like a silvery highlighter look on my skin tone. I know it seems off because most of the time they say gold is what would look best on your skin tone, but I do like a silver highlight, and brown sugar is more of the gold, but I'm gonna do half on either side of my body. So this is Who Needs Clothes. It's ginormous. It is actually a really big bottle, so I'm hoping a little goes a long way, because if that's the case, then the price is gonna be a little bit fair because it's so big. Since it's so big, I do think the $59, actually $60. It's pushing it. It is pushing it a little bit, but since it's so big, like look at it compared to the foundation. Since it's so big, I do think that the price might be fair depending on how much you need to highlight your entire body. So I'm going to go ahead and pump on Who Needs Clothes onto the Kabuki brush here. I'm gonna put Who Needs Clothes over here. Let's see if I can get my mirror going so it doesn't play me. There we go. There we go. Okay. That's Who Needs Clothes. I'm just gonna try and hit the top parts with most of the product, and then like diffuse it out, like the prominent parts with most of the product, and then to diffuse it out. That's really pretty. I feel like I need to move my camera down. Let me grab Anthony. This is actually really pretty. I did not expect it to look this good. I was just like, ugh. Because I swatched it already on my hand, and I was like, okay, it just feels like oil all over my body. It's gonna feel like oil all over my body, but okay, so this is Who Needs Clothes on this side. I don't have anything on this side right now. I do have really reflective skin, just in general. My skin is dry, but like a mirror, it's really annoying. But this is what it looks like on this side, and this is what it looks like on that side, and that is Who Needs Clothes. Texture wise, it's a little sticky, just a little bit. It's a lot less sticky than when I had it on my hand. I thought it was gonna be more sticky because when I just swatched it on my hand, maybe I put too much on my hand when I was swatching it. It felt really sticky, but I guess with it spread out on my chest, it's not as sticky, but it's still got that sticky kind of consistency to it. So that is Who Needs Clothes. It's pretty. I'm gonna put it on my neck. Have you guys ever had one of those dresses where the front part will have like the really beautiful sequin design and then the back will have nothing, and I'm just like, you weren't finished. That's how I feel about not finishing it up to my neck right now. But it's really, really pretty. Okay, so next we're gonna do brown sugar. Brown sugar. Oh my God. It is so pretty. So pretty. I'm already here for it. Here are those two side by side. So pretty. Y'all, look at brown sugar. Look at brown sugar. And don't worry about the brush. I had foundation on my chest earlier because I just needed to even out my chest a little bit. Oh, wow. Whoa. I think I might have done too much. Might have played myself. Might have put too much. Okay, we're gonna backtrack really quickly because I think I put too much. Okay, I'm just gonna take it off that napkin here in a sec. Oh, I was expecting brown sugar to come out with a bang. It looks way more concentrated than Who Needs Clothes, so I was expecting it to be like gold. Let me build it up a little. You guys tell me, can you see more glitter on the Who Needs Clothes side? I'm gonna turn the lights down here in a little bit too, so maybe that'll be easier to look at. But this is brown sugar. I don't know. I feel maybe it's just like what I said. I feel like the silver complements my skin tone a little bit better sometimes. So maybe that's why I'm slightly not as excited about brown sugar. All right, let's see if I mix them together because I don't really see a difference. If I had to choose right now, I think I would go with Who Needs Clothes. Like right now, I think my mind would be made up. I think my mind would be made up with Who Needs Clothes. I even put a lot more of the brown sugar than the Who Needs Clothes. Okay, well, I guess this is what it looks like. Shine, 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 shine. Yeah. Bringing out my inner Patricia. This is gorgeous. Actually, I really like it. I think I can see myself using it a lot more than I thought I was gonna use it. I thought I was just gonna use it for this review and that'll be it. Next, we're gonna try out the Fairy Balm, which I honestly was not excited about when I first saw it. I was just like, I was excited about it because I thought it was so big, but once I first went in to like apply it, it didn't really like give off that much glitter, so I was kind of like but when I went in again for like a second time, it gave off a lot more glitter. So I think you have to like get it started, like actually like give it a few pumps, give it a little bit to get started, and then once you get it started, it actually looks really good. So I'm going to show you guys what it does on the back of my hand here. I'm going to spray some setting spray just to see if I get more of a color payoff with the pom-pom. And like while my hand is still a little bit wet, I'm gonna go ahead and dust that glitter on there. Oh yeah, you get way more glitter with like just getting your skin a little damp. So that's a nice little trick because I think I tried it with dry skin once before and I didn't really get much color. So this is like a really pink, pretty rose gold color, which is actually what it's called, rose gold. The lighting is washing it out right now, so I'll turn my lights down here in a second so you guys can see everything. But I think it's really, really, really pretty. I'm gonna try and use it on my chest as well since my chest already has a little stickiness to it. Did it help? Yeah, it helped the brown sugar side a lot. If you're one of those people that's into like body shimmer, you're gonna love this because it does give you a decent amount of shimmer and shine. So you're gonna really, really enjoy this. I'm just not one of those people that does the body shimmer. I do it occasionally when I'm just feeling like it, when I'm just like, okay, let me just be extra. So I don't see myself using this on a regular basis, but if I did decide to one day I wake up and I'm just like, I just want to be extra today, I would definitely use this because it's pretty poppin'. Like, it's bright. The only thing I would change is just the stickiness of it, because I feel it. I feel the stickiness. The palm is good for those of us that don't like the sticky feel or the stickiness of it. This is a good substitute for the lava. Do what I just did. I just sprayed a little setting spray on my hand, and it picks up a lot more shimmer than without the setting spray or without a little moisture on your hand. So just put some lotion on your hand and then use the palm. And it's also a little bit cheaper. If you don't mind the stickiness and you just want something that's just a little bit more dramatic, a little bit more shine, then the lavas are gonna be good for you. Just keep in mind they are just a little bit pricier. If I had to, I'd probably stick with the palm, which is weird because when I first got it, I was just like, nah. I was just like, no, I don't like it. It doesn't look good. Like I said, just it needs a few pumps to get started, to get the actual product going out of it. Once you get it going, you get a pretty decent amount. Now, I do not know how much shimmer is in this palm. I don't know how much glitter you're gonna get, how many uses you're gonna get, because it's basically inside already. It's like ready to use. So I don't know. I can't open it up and see how much shimmer you get. But if it gives you a decent amount, then it's worth the price. That is what the Fenty Body Lava is with the shimmer puff thingy, fairy balm on top. I actually think it's really pretty. Is it something that I do on a regular basis? No. Do I feel a little greasy? Yes, but I like it. So I just turned my lights down so you guys could see the shimmer, and this is what it looks like right there. It's really pretty. It looks better in low light when a little bit of light is bouncing off of you. So this is it zoomed in on my chest. I wanted you guys to be able to see like how much shimmer you're kind of getting out of it. So that's that. And then on my hand, remember I just put a little bit of setting spray and some of the fairy balm. Alrighty guys, so that is my review of the Fenty Beauty Body Lavas and the fairy balm and the Kabuki brush. I do think you might need the Kabuki brush unless you have a really dense like other kind of face brush, like something like this maybe. You might need to go ahead and get the Kabuki brush. It doesn't drag on hair, which is awesome, because I thought since it was a little bit more of a stickier formula, it'd be like lip gloss in the wind and just be all over the place. But it doesn't drag on the hair, or it doesn't catch the hair and make you have to drag it off your body. So that's really nice as well. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this review. If you have, make sure you leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new here and you haven't. Thank you guys so much for watching. Lots of love, and I'll see you guys next time.